I'm gonna do a 1 gallon refresh on my antifreeze. First, I'm gonna suck out as much as I can from the reservoir, see how much that is, and then we'll try and get some out of the radiator itself. If it doesn't equal a gallon, we'll see how it goes. All right, let's see what we can get out of here. It's pretty full. It doesn't look awful, but it's certainly not crystal clear. Feed that little thing down to the bottom as best as it'll go. There we go. Let go. All right. Let's see how that looks. Not exactly crystal clear, is it? A little under 200. Okay. Squeeze that into the old jug here. And let's see how we do. All right, number 3, 4. See down in there, it's about a quart. This is not hot. Doesn't look awful. Okay, under the car, radiator, far left side. There's the nozzle. But it'll drain out there and then go into the pan. I got 3 different size spark plug sockets. We'll see if any of those fit. If not, we'll try the large hex key. All right, it's the 3/4 inch. And I've got a long extension. Hopefully it's not too long. We'll see if that works. There's some vent holes in the plastic guard under the thing. And one of them is just in the right angle to be able to see the darn thing. Yeah, you can see the socket on it right there. Now, it turns out the extension was way too long because it kept hitting the transmission pan. Okay, let's try this some more. I don't know. Okay. That's turning. I'm going to try and hold the funnel instead up in here. Right under. Will this work? Or will it just make a big mess? There. Ah! Let's try that again. Yay. Oh, much better. Between what's in this and the jug, I don't think that's even going to be a gallon, but we'll see. All right, well, not quite half a gallon. Definitely a better color. I just jammed it down in there tighter. Squeeze the hose and yeah. I gotta jam in there real far. Squeeze that. Used a little more than a quart. There we go. Nice and full. There we go. Get you there. between max and cold. So I'm gonna start the car and see how it sounds and everything. Nothing sounds different. Take a ride, and then we'll check it and see what it's doing. Took a little half-mile ride up to Publix. So far so good. Drove around for a while yesterday, parked on the sloped part of my driveway. Should have brought all the bubbles to the front. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I could use a little splash in there. Let's go. Try the hose. Well, seems like that was more than enough. All right then, put the cap back on and we should be good to go.